As you can see on the screen, the first rectangle has 2 parts, the second rectangle has 4 parts, and the last third rectangle has 8 parts. This one has 2 parts, this one has 4 parts, and this one has 8 parts. Okay, now if I color one part of it, if I shade one part of it, so how much I have shaded? I have shaded 1 by 2. Now again, if I shade 2 parts of the second rectangle, so how much fraction I have shaded? I have shaded 2 by 4. And in the third rectangle, if I shade 4 parts, so how much fraction I have shaded? I have shaded 4 by 8 fractions. But if you notice, the rectangles have a same amount of shaded parts. Every rectangle has approximately half of its part shaded. The shaded part is same, but the fractions are different. Okay, the fractions are different. These type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Okay, these type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are all equivalent fractions. Simplest form. A fraction is said to be in its simplest form when the only common factor between numerator and denominator is 1. For example, there is a number 25 upon 40. Now the common factors between the numerator and denominator is not only 1. They have other factors also. That means this fraction is not in its simplest form. Now what to do to bring it in its simplest form? We have to divide the numerator and denominator both with a common factor till we reach to the numbers which have only 1 as their common factor. So the common factor between 25 and 40 is 5. So we will divide 25 by 5 and 40 also by 5. So what we will get? We will get 5 by 8. Now 5 and 8 have only one common factor. So 5 and 8 are in the simplest form. Let's take another example. For example, 12 upon 24. Here I have taken the common factor 3. So 12 divided by 3 will bring us 4 and 24 divided by 3 will give you 8. Now the common factor between 4 and 8 is 2, 4. So if you are taking the highest common factor, that is 4, then divide 4 by 4 and 8 also by 4. The result will be 1 by 2. Now 1 and 2 do not have any other common factor